Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? So today I have a little project. The homie Bao, he gave me his diffuser, so we're gonna be painting that today. It appears to me that you guys like these kind of videos and you guys like painting videos. I don't know. I'm not gonna question it. It just seems to me that you guys like this kind of stuff. You know, I'm gonna be back on my ghetto cardboard setup. You already know. This setup is gonna have to do until I get a real paint booth or a real setup, so cardboard is gonna have to do the job for now. You know, painting's very simple. I don't like it because it takes a lot of time to do, but in reality it's not that bad. That's my only complaint, is that it takes forever and it's very time consuming. Well, other than that, like, I like paint because when you're actually done painting, the results are very rewarding. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, we got it all sanded. Yes, this is for the Maxima, so you guys can buy this on the Stillin website or you can buy it from eBay. So it does fit right on the Maxima. I already have one, so I don't need it. I can't test fit it on, but this is what it's gonna look like on the car. But yeah, let's get to priming. I want to finish this as soon as I can so I can get this video out for you guys. And today's a super nice day to paint, so I'm gonna take advantage of that and get this done. I am using the Duplicolor Automotive Primer. I found this one to be probably one of the best ones, but there are a lot of other primers that you can use, so it's up to you. Whatever really fits your needs and what kind of material that you guys are painting on, this is what works well for me, so I like this one, but you guys can go ahead and use whatever you want. Hey, stay away! Get away!
Are we eating the bunny today?
Yeah.
Can I see the bunny?
Cool. Yeah.
Check it out. This is a lighter, bro.
Oh shit. Fuck it. Oh snap!
It's like one of
a
those.
taser.
It's an electric lighter.
Where'd you get that?
Amazon.
Oh.
$16.
Oh, that's lit.
And it doesn't need to be refueled or anything. Hi.
Are
you scared of me? I apologize.
So I don't think I showed you guys the bunny yet. Giselle actually got this bunny for her birthday.
For the low.
For the low. And her name is Ariel. She's been around for about a month now. Almost. I'd say like 3 weeks. So best thing about working on cars is when your friends come and work on their cars too.
Hey, man. Hey, don't man. Look at guess.jae. Look at guess.jae.
Hey, guess.jae. You wanna tell them what you're doing today?
So we swapping my bumper 2017 from 2016, right?
Yeah, he did such a shit job explaining. So he's swapping the 2016 bumper from the VRZ to a 2017, and then he's gonna do a fog light delete. So we got the diffuser all primered up. Tomorrow I'm gonna be actually painting it. After this, I'm gonna try to stay away from painting for a while. I'm just kind of getting sick of it at this point. I've just been painting so many things. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright people, so I told you guys in the last video that I was gonna do my side skirts, splitters, down here. For those that don't want to slam their car but still want that lowered look, you can put on these pieces like a lip, a splitter, and then side skirt splitters and diffusers and stuff. That will make you appear a little bit lower than you really are, so it gives kind of the illusion. From yesterday, the primer is all dry, and then I'm gonna get started on this as well, so let's go. Alright guys, it's been a few days, so I got the side skirts all painted up and we just finished polishing, and this is what it looks like. It's a lot shinier now.
Where are your side skirts?
Right here.
Those are yours?
Yeah,
What the fuck? I thought it was Phillips.
Nah, these are mine, bro.
These fools, what the fuck?
Looks pretty good. Obviously, it's not perfect. I mean, it's DIY. Come on. We're gonna install them right now. Pong and Philip is here today, so we're gonna be slamming that bitch car.
Yeah, slam my big car.
Yeah, slam his big car. So the drill holes that we're gonna be drilling at is at these points where the little tab comes out. So these side skirts are actually made for the 2nd gen Lexus IS, but I just went with the universal one and I figured out the measurements. And as long as you figure out the measurements, then you'll be fine. You can rock whatever side skirts that you want.
Yeah, I'll probably go for a yellow wrap.
You can go over yellow wrap?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, bro. Gotta get some colors in the blue. Everybody white and black, bro. I'm gonna
Oh,
get
shit.
yellow.
Maybe, yeah.
Like the
Yellow would look sick.
Yeah, bro, like Lambo yellow.
Yeah. Yeah, like this yellow.
Yeah, bro.
Garbage can, trash can yellow. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Damn. I fucking broke the bit. Rest in peace. It's all good. I got
another
another.
Maxima food
Fuck.
here. Look at that bao ass food.
Oh, it's a ball.
Yeah, it's a bao, yeah. Bánh bao, đúng ha, bánh bao. Đúng ha, bánh bao.
Oh my god.
Yeah, ever just break a drill bit, yeah?
Yeah. Fuck. It's alright. I got another one. Rest in peace. We're all done. Thank you to the boys. We actually still got a couple more things to do. Johnson's actually putting on his banner today. He's gonna be putting on the Musashi banner, so we're gonna be helping him out. I'll let you guys take a look. Are you guys ready? Boom. What do you guys think? Very subtle mod, very subtle touch. I like it a lot. The side skirts blend right in with the little flap on the back. I'm not really sure what that's called, but
Canard?
is it canard? I think canards are up there. I think this might be called like a rear spat or something. Till this day, I still don't know what it's called, but it looks nice.
But she finally got some pants on.
Yep, she finally got some pants on. It looks good. Some skirts. Let me know what you guys think. So Johnson's gonna pull in his car right now. We're gonna get these out of the way, and then we're gonna throw on his banner so he can rep the gang. He looking a little naked up here. 1, 2, 3, boom. What do you guys think? Oh, very nice. Turned out really nice today. He back in the gang. So the reason why that he had it off in the first place was because he had his windshield replaced, so they had to take that off with it, but now we got another one. He has one back on, so we're good. You like, bro?
It's nice. I especially like this part right here.
This actually really helps on the inside because it acts as a visor. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.